Good afternoon. My name is Luc Alofs. I am the program manager of the Social Work and Development program. And in this minute, I want to try and convince you why you could become and should become a social worker. We all know that the world that we're born into is not a world which is completely honest. We have to do with issues of inequality. We have to live with individuals and groups that are not in the position to fully develop their own talents and to fully participate in the society that we all should be part of. Social workers want to help these people and support these people in developing their talents and participating fully in our community. As a social worker, you want to be a change agent. You want to promote social justice. You want to promote compassion, peace. You want to invest in development in individuals and in our community. These are some reasons why you could become a student of the University of Aruba, and more specifically in our program. I hope to see you next year.